Here we are again. We have our markers and paper, we have our Play-Doh, and we have our Legos. And today we're going to make things that are underwater. We're under the sea today. We're in the ocean. Okay, so we're going to make things that are all about in the ocean, in the water, in the sea. Okay, so let's see. We're going to start with our Play-Doh, and we're going to make a sea turtle. A really cool sea turtle. Big sea turtle in the ocean. So let's see. Oh, the Play-Doh's nice and soft. We're going to use blue. We're going to make a blue sea turtle. So let's see. I think we can do it all with one lump. So we'll start kind of with our egg shape again, right? Our oval ball here. And we're just going to give it a little bit of a flattening like this. Like a kind of a thick cookie. Looks like a delicious thick cookie. That's going to be our sea turtle. So let's see. We're going to need. It's got four. Let's call them hands and feet, but it's got four paddles, and it's got a head, and it's got a tail too. A little tail, but it's got a tail too. So we're going to pinch out for the head and for the front paddles. See, that's going to be his head, that's going to be his front paddles. And we'll give him the back paddles there. Fins, I guess you would call them. I'm not really sure. They don't have teeth, these sea turtles. They have a beak like a bird. They have a bird beak. But that's going to be the tail. So we have 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 points. Head, fins, tail. Now, let's sculpt it, because the fins are going to be nice and flat, so we can really, paddle through the water, go nice and fast through the water. And we're going to just flatten those out. We're going to give them the flat paddle fins. And we're going to sculpt his head. See how I made the paddles nice and flat, the fins nice and flat? And we're going to give him a beak, like a bird beak, because he has no teeth. He's just got a beak. And we're going to give him this little tiny, cute, adorable tail, right? So let's see how we did here. Let's see. We're just going to, tighten up some of the details. Give him a nice rounded back. Oh, look at that! Look at that sea turtle. See his face. See the beak. See the four paddle fins. See the small tail. So there you have it. There's our very cool blue sea turtle. Love it. Love it. Okay, we're going to set that aside. So that's our sea turtle. We're going to put him right over there. Oops. Dropped him. He's all right. Now let's see. Let's take our markers and paper next. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to make an octopus. We're going to draw a wicked cool octopus. And you know what? Let's do that in blue too. Let's do it in blue. So we're going to make an octopus. Octopus are very, very cool. They can change their color. They can change their shape. They can mimic different things. So they kind of are camouflage, right? So their enemies can't find them. But we're going to draw an octopus. So we're going to start just with a circle like that. I think that's going to be its head, right? I think an octopus, they have a beak too, kind of a pointy beak. But anyway, we'll give him some big eyes, right? Oh yeah, that's kind of bizarre looking, but that's going to be his head. That's not important. The most important part is the legs. How many legs? 8. 8 legs. Octo. 8. 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more leg. 8. So there you go. Wow, look at that. Very cool. So he's got our 8 legs. Let's give him a little bit more color. Let's make him look a little bit, cool. cooler with some different colors. Let's add some red here. I think we'll add some shades of red. We'll give him like reddish legs. Maybe he's hiding in like the background of where he is red, so he's changing color right now because they can change their color to hide, right? So we're gonna give him nice cool red legs, and maybe we'll give him a little bit of a reddish sort of face there. But anyway, there you go. There's your octopus, right? Camouflage, hiding. He changed his color to hide, and 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs for the octopus. So there you have it. Octopus, sea turtle, very cool. But wait, there's more. Now let's get at our Legos, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a fish. We're gonna make a fish out of Legos. What kind of fish? I don't know. Just a regular, general sort of fish. But do you know how many different types of fish there are? There are 35,000. 35,000. Can you wrap your head around that number? 35,000 different kinds of fish. Right? You have, I mean, that's a ridiculously big number. There's a lot of different fish out there. Anyway, let's build our fish. So our fish is kind of going to... We're going to start with like an ovalish shape, I think. We'll try. We'll add a couple pieces like this. See how it's starting to look almost like a triangle? And then we're going to make it sort of, like oval on the bottom too. And then we're going to add some. Now this is the very important part. We're going to add a big fin right on the back. We're going to add a big fin right on the back. So there's the fin. Oh, and you know what? Hold on. I got to take that piece off because I want to add some fins off to the side too, I think. You know what? Let's take this. We're going to add some fins off to the side. We're gonna give him 2 fins off to the side, 1 big fin on the back. Right? Let's do like that. I think that would look pretty cool. We'll take that and we'll take this. Yeah, and then we'll put another fin on the back too, right? So he's got the fin on the back. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the cool. Looks like almost like a helicopter. If you had a propeller up there, it would kind of look like a helicopter. But let's add a little bit more on the fins. Let's make those fins in the front a little bit bigger. And I think we'll expand his head here. Now look at that. He looks like a swordfish, right? He's got that big honking nose, beak, right? But looks like it could be an airplane. But sometimes, fish look like airplanes. So that's my story, all right? And I'm sticking to it. Sometimes fish look like airplanes. There you go. So there's your fish. Big swordfish, big beak. I want to round off his head just a little bit here. Make it look a little bit better. But there you go. So there's his eyes. There's his beak. Here's his fins on the side. He's got the dorsal fin on the back. That means on the back. And he's got this tail fin too to help him kind of navigate and cut through the water. So let's put these Legos back and we'll show you what we did here. We have our octopus, we have our sea turtle, and we have so there's our fish. There's our fish, our Lego fish. 1 type out of 35,000 types. There's our Lego fish. Here's our Play-Doh sea turtle, no teeth, just a beak, flat paddle fins, little tiny tail in the back. There's our sea turtle. And here is our cool octopus with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs, all camouflaged because he's hiding, right? So we have our octopus, we have our Play-Doh sea turtle, and we have our cool Lego fish. Now, we did Legos, we did drawing, we did Play-Doh today, all related to underwater, under the sea, in the ocean type stuff. But you can do whatever you want. Just get your Play-Doh out, get your markers and paper out, get your Legos out, and make something. Draw something, doesn't have to be under the sea. It can be anything you want. It's important just to get these things out and just try. Just build, just draw, just create. Okay, so here's what we made today. 3 cool things all related to under the sea. Get out your things, make some stuff, and have some fun. Okay, bye.